Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, there lived a brave little boy named Andy. Andy was known for his kindness and love for all animals. One day, as he was exploring the jungle, he stumbled upon a wounded lion named Leo. Leo had a thorn stuck in his paw, causing him great pain. Instead of running away in fear, Andy approached the lion with a caring heart. "Don't worry, Leo, I'll help you," Andy said with a reassuring smile. Gently, he removed the thorn from Leo's paw, and the lion let out a grateful roar. From that day on, Andy and Leo became the best of friends. They played together, shared stories, and helped each other through thick and thin. The other animals in the jungle were amazed to see a human and a lion getting along so well. One day, a group of hunters entered the jungle. They had heard about a friendly lion and wanted to capture Leo to showcase him in a circus. Andy, sensing the danger, decided to protect his friend. He stood in front of Leo, determined to face the hunters. "Leo is my friend, and I won't let anyone harm him," declared Andy, standing tall and brave. The hunters were surprised to see the friendship between a boy and a lion, and they couldn't bring themselves to harm the duo. Instead, they learned a valuable lesson about the importance of compassion and friendship. The jungle animals, inspired by Andy's bravery, united to create a safe haven for Leo and Andy. They formed a protective circle around them, ensuring that no harm would come their way. The story of Andy and Leo spread far and wide, teaching children the timeless lesson that kindness knows no bounds. No matter our differences, true friendship and compassion can overcome any obstacle. And so, in the heart of the jungle, the brave little boy and the kind lion lived happily ever after, surrounded by friends who celebrated the magic of love and friendship.